What's up, roamers, wanderers, nomads, vagabonds? Call me what you will, you know. We're out here, we're continuing our Abandon America Suran tour. I parked over there. I got my cameras set up to track. I'll know if anyone's coming in or out of this facility. And we are at Eagle Mountain, California. Let me give you a brief history of this place. Eagle Mountain was founded in the 1940s by the Kaiser Company to mine iron ore for warships during World War II. This town has tons of homes, a prison, a school, and I think even a movie theater. And it was a busy mining town with a peak population of 4,000 people. Then in the 1980s, foreign iron became much cheaper and the mine completely shut down. And now it's a ghost town. Dave did tell me this place was a bust. That's what his nomad friend said. But Paul So Hard came here on his way to California, so I don't know. I couldn't stop it by. It was basically on the way to my destination. That's how I say destination. I abbreviate it. Whoa. Semi-recently, this town has been used as a law enforcement drone training ground. The Flying Lion company uses this town to train law enforcement on how to operate drones. I've seen other videos where they have targets set up. I am a little afraid of getting yelled at by an autonomous drone being flown by somebody in somewhere else, you know. These drones can be operated from anywhere in the world. Seen videos where people go to the prison. Apparently the prison is completely taken over by the drone company. Whoa, dude, look at all this shit. Dude, these chairs are low-key valuable, and these desks. What do we got here? Math problems, too hard for me. Dude. I mean, dude, there's hipsters that would pay a lot for desks like this. Okay, onward. There's so much to explore here. We got to get the drone up before we get kicked out of here. Dude, I'm getting so fast at getting my drone ready now. Dude, this is just so crazy that we have this technology, isn't it? Even though mine's old. Dude, I live for shit like this. Science class. That's a science class, I can tell. Or a homemaking class. Wow, someone took the time to lock every frickin' door. This one's not locked. So far, all I've seen is big trucks, which I'm sure they don't care, and one sketchy looking Sprinter van who may very much care, but he just drove right past my bus. Wow, these brakes are doggy water. Dude, I can't even lock it. Oh shit. Shit, keep rolling. Oh man, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Howdy. Yeah, just taking videos. I understand. I'll take off.
Okay, I'll follow you out.
How do you want me to get out of here?
Right down that road.
Right down that road? Dang, dude, I don't think he would have seen me. Didn't even get to the frickin' drones. Damn, dude, I do not think that guy would have seen me. I don't think he got a report of me or anything. He just saw me. Ah, that sucked. I got a drone video though. Well, friendly. He said bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, trespasser. Man, there's so much cool shit in there. He literally waved bye. Ah, jeez, man. I just was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Wow. Well, they told me not to come, and I came. I don't think anybody saw me until him, and I just was in the wrong fucking spot. God, that sucks. All right, let's get out of here. Fuck. Thanks for tuning in. We could have spent some more time there, but it was basically just a bunch of abandoned houses. Hit that like button just for my efforts and my diesel money. Dang it. Huge shout out to all my patrons and YouTube channel members. Thank you guys for keeping the dream alive. Thanks for supporting the channel. Click that like button. Support your local loophole. Be careful when searching abandoned drone training centers on the weekend. Dude, that's such a bust. I guarantee Paul just freaking rode away from that dude and hid. Get after it. Good enough isn't. Peace.
It's a beautiful thing.
Bus life is very fun.